Good morning, everyone. David here, back out the flight line. Jim should be out here shortly, but right now I'm the only one here. It's another new acquisition from that Denton Swap meet. That's the FMS P-51. Incredible deal on this. Came with 3 batteries and the receiver, so basically it's just ready to fly. Bind it to my radio. Now I did have the retracts were broken out right here on the mounting bolts on both sides, and after looking online it did mention that was a bit of a problem with this model. So I ordered a new set of retracts, about $30 each, and put them in, so this will be first time out with it. I did take the inner and outer gear doors off. Our grass is a little long out here, and I've seen them get caught up on that. So let's get this on the line, see how it... Alright, coming out on low rates on the ailerons, and we'll go with mid on the rudder and the elevator. Actually, let's go with high on the elevator. Might help us keep the nose in the air on the ground. Go with high on the rudder too. Man, that grass is pretty long today. Gears are up. Fast pass in front of us. That was high speed. It don't really move as fast as I thought it would. Start setting it up here for a landing pass, see what she looks like. By the way, the takeoff was with no flaps, and the landing will be with no flaps on this first one, just to see what she looks like. Looks good. Alright, we'll start coming around this time for an actual landing. And right in the gate. Ah, look at all that water coming off. There it is, FMS P-51 Mustang, swap meet find. Maiden on it. I guess first impressions is nowhere near as fast as what I was thinking it would be. I've had P-51 that was actually a Durafly P-51 that would fly on a 3S. It was faster than this. So if you're looking for a scale bird, this would be it. It does have compression struts on the mains and 4-bladed prop individual blades on it. Nice presence, about 1450 millimeter. So again, scale model, this would be it. If you're looking more of a sport flyer, I'd go with the Strager or the Voodoo or something like that. Alright, thanks for watching.